So in this video we are going to consider three-way switch. This is residential electricity, and at home, if you find three-way switch, how do you get it connected? Now let's get started. We have a power source which is 220 volts. So we connect the neutral side of the 220 volt source to the neutral side of the bulb. Now we are going to use this same connection here. So we are having the neutral connected to the neutral side of each bulb. Now we have our power source coming out, which is the live line, and is going to be connected to the common. And now what we are going to do is to connect the other side of this bulb to one side of the switch here, because this three-way switch, and we're going to connect this other side to the other side here. So now one side of the switch we turn one bulb on, while the other side of the switch we turn the other bulb on. So let's simulate and see what happens to our simple circuits. We put on our multimeter to take readings. Now we can see that at this position this particular bulb is on while the switch is down, and by the time we change the switch up, then the particular bulb at the up positions is switched off while the one below is on. So the same thing goes on and on when you switch the three-way switch here, and we can take our reading and see what we have at the input side of the bulb. So now we're having 0 volts because the downward stroke is the one working for this bulb, and when this bulb comes on we have 233 volts, 219 volts here, which is approximately 220. We're having 0.4 volts lost along the line, and once I switch this back on, this comes on. So in your house you can use three-way switch to on two different bulbs at different position. Thank you.